Okay, lights, camera, actions. Bruno Talk is guys and girls. Please subscribe, like, and share. Um, so, little background. I am talking mostly about immigration, especially focused on Canada and also Shenzhen and Malta, but mainly Canada. Because I was in the US for 14 years, but I really wanted to go to Canada. I wanted to go to Little India, Canada, and then somehow I ended up in Big India, and now I'm wanting to go back. But unfortunately, I haven't had a job for quite some time, other than my startups and, just spending a tons of time on the internet. So I don't have money, and whatever little money I had, I gave for dowry for my two sisters. So I don't have the money for tourist visa. So using my own research and analysis, I came up with best options and I post them. And the good thing is, actually, there is IRCC, the Canadian agency. Its name is derived from my company, IRRC Solutions, which came into operation in 2003. It's a 2003 idea. I hired the first guy to build the automated form filler for it in August. No, actually, in summer, somewhere between June and August, when I was doing my internship with Arbogen in Colombia. It's SEEF comes from there, and IRRC Solutions. Initially, it was called UCS, like Universal Card Solutions, and I was thinking of dropping the card part to just US. But I stuck with the name IRRC Solutions, which also got profiled in Fortune Small Business, now acquired by Time, CNN, Money. So you can find it in Archives, Volume 149, November 2004 of Fortune magazine. And so the company is called IRRC Solutions, INC, registered in Delaware in on January 10th 2005, and then the subsidiary was registered in India after that, even though I hired the guys in July of 2004, and actually prior to that there was another team, and then the first guy in summer of 2003. And then I operated that company for 3 years. I gave a tons of money, and then we branched out, and there was IRRC Consultants, which also got formed. So there's IRRC Solutions, INC, IRRC Solutions Private Limited in Hyderabad, and IRRC Consultants, and then Rakshak and Real Cool Health Network, RCHN, like search. So, and the C, IRRC and C of Consultants, or for O3. And my first poem is Sacha Dharm, published. I have it in another video. Just Google, search it, Sacha Dharm, True Religion. So there is Justin Trudeau. And I live in like a guest room in my garden, and we have a tin ceiling. It's like we have had it for a very long time, and it was rebuilt in, I think, 2017. So anyways, guys, if you want way to Canada or even US, you can go via Canada, and the best way to Canada is temporary foreign worker permit. And if you tie in with some PNPs like British Alberta or even Yukon, you can get a free ticket, and there is no fee to apply. The visa of 155 Canadian is waived, but for that you have to take IELTS, which costs 12,000 Indian rupees, and ECA, external credential assessment, for your high school and or degree, which costs another 12,000 roughly. So if you do the IELTS and ECA, you can apply for other visas like PR, PNP, and in that case, your temporary foreign work permit fee is waived under that program. International Mobility Program doesn't require LMIA, which is a big hurdle. Many Canadian employers don't do that. In that, they have to prove, just like in case of H1B in America, that they can't find domestic citizens or residents for that role, so they are hiring from overseas. So guys, all the best. Subscribe, share, like, comment.